Hi, in this we will discuss LeetCode problem 1190. So what is the problem? So problem statement is that reverse substrings between each pair of parentheses. Okay, you are given a string S that consists of lowercase English letter and brackets. Reverse the string in each pair of matching parentheses starting from the innermost one. Okay, from innermost one parenthesis I have to start the reversing the substrings, right? Your result should not contain any brackets. Okay, for this example like ABCD bracket ABCD. So this ABCD is inside an parenthesis. So what will be the output? DCBA, right? So that's why answer is here actually DCBA. Right. For the next example, like you love I. So they have mentioned that I have to start from always from the innermost parenthesis, right? So in what is the innermost? This is the innermost. So this will be after reversing. What will be the string? EVOL. Then it will be I. Then this whole string is inside and parenthesis, so whole will be reversed. So I LOVEU. Got it? So this is actually our answer for example 2. So actually whatever you can actually say, it's check like by using stack actually we are reversing. We can actually, you know already that to reverse anything we can use a stack, right? So for this problem, like if I want to reverse, like first of all I have taken a stack. So I have inserted open parenthesis, then U, then I have added on parenthesis, open parenthesis, then L, then O, then V, then E. Right now, now we are getting in closed parenthesis, right? This is will get. So whenever we get any closed parenthesis, then what we will do? We will just pop all the character till we are not getting any open parenthesis, right? We can actually reverse this actually innermost. So what will be the output after that? So stack will be like this. We will pop, like first we will pop E, then V, then O, then L. Got it? Now what we are doing? Now our stack will have open parenthesis, then U, and I have popped all the character till this open parenthesis. Now we have string like EVOL. So we will push this as a reverse into stack. So how actually we can push? We can actually again push like in Q. Actually, if we store this in this way, reverse way, then we'll actually push this into E. Will first push into the stack. So E will be first insert, then V, then O, then L. Got it? Now we have reverse and also push into the stack. Got it? Now what is the character we are getting? I. Okay, so I will insert this into the stack. Now what we are getting any close parenthesis. So what is the, whenever we are getting any close parenthesis, what I have mentioned that I will pop all the character in a reverse way. So stack will always whenever it will pop, so it will actually pop actually in a reverse way, right? Like when I will pop in the first, then E, not L. Got it? So pop this till we are not getting open parenthesis, right? So what will we get? I, then stack will have L, then O, then V, then E, then U. Then we are getting open parenthesis. So now stack is empty. Now what we are getting? We are getting ILOVEU. So we will push this into the stack again. This is actually our current output, current reversed. After final reverse of the substrings, we will get this L, then O, then V, then E, then U. Got it? Now we don't have anything, so we will have to return this answer. So what will be the answer? Answer should be ILOVEU. But whenever we pop this string stack from this stack, so what will we get? We'll get E, U, then E, then V, then O, L, then I. So we will get the reverse way. So if we just reverse whole string, then we will get our answer ILOVEU. Got it? So go to the code actually. What you're doing? So we will take in a stack. We are storing the character, and this is our string result. Got it? Not result. Okay. So we are just traversing the string S. Whenever getting any open parenthesis, we are just push into this character into the stack. And whenever getting any closed parenthesis, then what we have to do? I have to reverse all the string all the substring starting from this closed parenthesis to the open parenthesis. So we are just taking a queue and we are pop the character from the stack till we are not getting any closed open parenthesis. So you just pop the character from the stack and push into the queue, right? So it will actually store into the reverse way queue, first in first out. So like if there is a b c, so this will queue will store cba, but this actually we want to our answer. So and also we have adjust this is stack pop. So in the we're getting an one open parenthesis that I have to pop because I have done the operation. That's why we will clear this to is actually pop the character open parenthesis. Okay, now we will just traverse the queue and we will get the reversed substring. So we'll just push into the stack. Got it? Stack dot st dot push and queue front and queue dot pop. Got it? Till we are not till our queue is not empty. Got it? Else what happen? We are getting any character a b c something in this way. So we this will push this into our stack. Got it? Now what we have actually mentioned that we will just find in the stack it will store into the all the final string, right? There will be no open parenthesis because I have done all the operation. Now we are just pop the character from the stack and whatever actually character getting we are just add into our answer string, but initially it is empty. Now I actually mentioned that how I actually our current answer will be in reverse way, right? You already got the logic. So now I have to reverse the final answer before return into the from the function. So that's why after traversing the stack, whatever actually answer string I have got, I have to just reverse this and return this into the function. But it's what is the time limit of this? Time limit of this, just we are traversing each character once here. We are actually traversing each character once, and for this we can actually call queue that many times if suppose any one character and there is again a closed parenthesis. In this actually there can be a queue will be used. That time we can actually say that this is actually n square, right? Because this also take actually n times, because if the stack is n character, then I have to the queue size will be n, then this will be again will be pushed into the stack, so this will take also n operation. That's why time to will be n square. So what is the space closure to this? We are taking a stack. Stack will maximum size will be big of n. That's why its space closure will be big of n, right? Understood the code also, right? And also the logic. Now this is actually I can actually optimize this. Okay. So what is the logic to optimize this? So you can actually check like for this actually. You love I. Okay. So you actually can check like whenever getting any open parenthesis, we just reverse this. So I will be print first. Got it? This I will be print first, then what will happen? So then I am getting any closed parenthesis. Then what will happen? This will be also reversed. So how actually we will start from this L. So L will be print, then O, then V. Then again I got closed parenthesis. Then what will happen? I will go to this because I have already already reversed this substring. So I'll go to this and I will print U. Then what I will go to open parenthesis. Then I will again go to the end. So then I will go to the next. Then I will found that this is actually we have reached. We have actually traversed all the character. Now what actually logic? Logic means how actually it's working. So you can check the direction. This is actually the game of direction, right? Why? Because first of all direction is positive. Okay, I will go to left to right. Now first of all I got open parenthesis. Okay, so I have to go. I want to go to left to right, but what I will first start from the right to left, because first time we are getting any open parenthesis, I have to traverse reverse this substring. So I'll go to the end. How I have to just go to the corresponding closed parenthesis position. Okay, then I will just reverse the direction. Now we just print I. Then again I am going to the left. Then I got closed parenthesis. Then what does it mean? I have to go to the. I have to change the direction. Right now what are we doing? We are doing right to left, but I got a closed parenthesis. Then what I have to reverse this substring before, and so I will go to the corresponding open parenthesis position. So this will I will go. Then I will go to the next position of this. Then now our current position is our current direction is left to right. So I'll just print L, then O, then B, then E. Then again I got this closed parenthesis. Now our current direction is left to right. Now what will happen? I will go to the again the corresponding position, corresponding open parenthesis position. Now our direction should be left to right. Now what is the index I will got? I will get the index this just before the open parenthesis position. So I'll go to U actually. So and our direction is still right to left. So I'll just print U. Then I go to the open parenthesis. Open parenthesis, I will go to the reach this open parenthesis. Then what I'll do? I'll go to the corresponding closed parenthesis. Okay. So what is the closed? This is the closed parenthesis position. So and I will also change the direction. Then I will, if I go to the next position, then what will happen? I will just out of bound. This is our position is going to the size of the array. That's why we will just break from that position. Got it? So initially, so just go to the code actually. So first of all, create the position corresponding open parenthesis to closed parenthesis and closed parenthesis to open parenthesis. Got it? So this is actually vector stack pair of n size are possible, n position are possible, and corresponding in position there will be a open or close anything, just only one possible there. So I'm just traversing the string s, and whenever seeing any s open parenthesis, then what I'll do, I'm just push into this stack. Like this is actually our open position. Got it? Position means I is equal to 0, I will store. Got it? And whenever I'm getting any closed parenthesis, then what I'll do, I have to just check what is the topmost open parenthesis I have actually seen, and I know what is the current position of closed parenthesis. So that's why corresponding I am just what is the top value of j. This is actually the open parenthesis position, right? And I is the closed parenthesis position. So I know already this thing, and I am just pop this from the stack. Now what I'll do, parenthesis position of j will be I corresponding, and parenthesis I will be j. This is the corresponding open and closed parenthesis position. Got it? That's a parenthesis of I will be store j, and parenthesis j will be store I. Got it? In this actually we will store all the corresponding open and closed parenthesis position. Now what we're doing, we are just starting from the current index is equal to 0, and direction is 1. 1 means left to right. Got it? And minus 1 means this actually plus 1, and minus 1 means left to right to left. Got it? And current index is initially 0, so I am starting from open parenthesis and current index less than n. Whenever we go to the out of the range array size, so we have to break. And what is the current index? I will go to that direction, plus 1 or minus 1. Okay, if it is plus 1 means I go to the next position. If it is a minus 1, then I go to the previous position. Got it? So whenever getting any open parenthesis or closed position, what I have to do? I have to change the direction and also go to the corresponding open or closed parenthesis. If it is open, then go to the closed parenthesis position, or it is closed, then go to the open parenthesis position. That's why current index will be go to the parent index parenthesis position of the current index corresponding, and direction will change to minus of direction. If it is a plus 1, then if I do the minus 1, then shall I go minus 1. If it is minus 1, then if I do again minus 1, then shall I got plus 1. Got it? And otherwise what happening? We are just adding the current character into our result, and at the end return the answer. So what is time to do this? Here actually traversing the string s only once. Here also we are traversing each character only once. So it's time also will be big of n. Got it? What is the space clone setting? We are just storing the pairs, corresponding pairs. So space clone will be big of n again. Got it? But our time is reduced from n squared to n. And also understood the logic also, like how it's working. I have actually explained this in this situation, that how actually it's print the correct output, right? Thank you.